diagnosed with having grade 3 HER2 positive breast cancer.
2014, I had my first open heart surgery.
When I was having my eldest daughter, I developed a rare condition called HELLP syndrome.
I had to start on chemotherapy within a few weeks of being diagnosed because of the aggressiveness of the cancer.
I suffered quite a big bleed, so I had 4 blood transfusions while in theatre.
Thankfully, due to the 2.5 litres of donated blood that I received, I went on to make a full recovery, and in 2016 I had a son, and earlier on this year I had my second daughter.
Going for the first blood transfusion, I couldn't get in out of the car. I was able to walk out on my own without my husband holding me up, so straight away the benefit was felt.
Thank you for taking the time out. Probably without them I wouldn't be sat here today.
I'd just like to say a massive, massive thank you for donating your blood.
So to all the blood donors out there, thank you for saving my life.